So we'll be discussing about continuous synopsis record, that is CSR, which we maintain on board from the initial start of the vessel, right, when the ship was launched, and it is kept throughout the life of the vessel, right? If the owner changes or a company changes, management changes, then all the details has to be maintained in CSR, right? Like if for an example, my vessel, this is my vessel's details. Some of the details I have changed for security purposes, but like my vessel name was Krita, okay, and it was changed to some other name, okay. Name of the vessel changed, okay, for security purpose. This whatever vessel's name changes has to be kept in record in CSR, right? So CSR is basically, if you see, is a kind of book, and if there's like, just like for an example, document number 18, right? So this is an additional number of page which is added in my CSR because my the vessel management company has changed and the name of the vessel was changed, okay. So in that we have to write these documents apply from date and all, flag state, date of registration with state indicated, name of ship, and this is name of current registered owners, okay, registered address, registered owner identification number, okay, if applicable, name of current registered bareboat charters, registered address, name of company that which responsible for all the operation which is being performed by the vessel and having a DOC okay. So name of that company, address, company identification number, this identification number will have the owner as well as company both, name of all the classes which the ship is classed, okay, administration, government, and which is issued the DOC, the one who has issued the DOC for these new vessels has been written over here, okay. And then the person which is carried out the audit, okay, administration, government, which carried out the audit, which issued safety management SMC and DOC, both the name of the recognized which issued and the body who has conducted the audit, okay, the name of that company or class has to be written. And then administration